day, and hello everyone. My name is Alexandra Jastrab from Lectura. Today, on November 14th, 2024, we have some exciting interview partners for our audience once again. This time, we welcome Dr. Heidak from Zeppelin Rental. Welcome, it's great to have you here.
Hello, Alexandra. Hi, nice to be here.
Dr. Heidak, what further steps is Zeppelin Rental planning to expand its environmental strategy?
Very good question. Okay, let's start. So generally, the pressure, the pressure to make our industry sustainable and climate friendly is very high. So currently, there are a lot of different factors which need to be considered to develop a strategic roadmap. And because it's a very, very dynamic business environment. So that means for us, in general, that a strategy needs to be flexible and it needs to be adaptable. So how to say, so therefore we are keeping a very close eye on all our markets and also about all the developments regarding EU regulations. It's a very dynamic system. We are also keeping an eye on the competition, of course, and very important, we are regularly exchanging ideas with our customers about their changing needs. And so what are we currently planning? So we are pursuing our strategy of continuously expanding our range of climate neutral and climate friendly services, to be able to respond to these changing customer requirements.
Thank you. And Zeppelin Rental has also demonstrated a big commitment to sustainability, which has also been recognized by the Deutsche Bahn AG. What are the key pillars of your sustainability strategy?
In general, there are three pillars or building blocks of our strategy. So first of all, we maintain an open mind about technology. So that means regarding technology, we have, for example, everything which low emission. So latest emission technology like stage 5 engines or hybrid drives. But also regarding zero emission. So we have a large number of 100% electric and battery machines and construction equipment. So that's regarding open mind of technology. And we are also very interested in alternative fuels like HVO. So there are many good solutions currently on the market. So the second pillar, I would say, is the willingness to develop and implement innovations. So, for example, we have recently introduced a new sustainability brand called Eco Solutions. Here we offer our customers targeted sustainable services that support them to work in a climate neutral, climate friendly, resource saving, and also energy efficient manner. So, and all of these topics are getting more and more important for tender to comply with tender criteria. Also, for example, just one of this example regarding resource saving, we are taking care of the construction waste logistics, for example. Here we ensure a recycling rate of 90%, which is very high. Or we offer complete solution packages to work 100% emission free. So starting from power generation, battery storage systems, EV charging infrastructure on the construction site, digital metering, so to get all the data of the consumption, and in the end, of course, all the electric machines and devices we have. So this is a one complete solution, and many more, of course, and they are all under our new brand Eco Solutions. And so the third building block is digitalization. So because digitalization is the key to easy access to data and make data available. So we offer our clients machine data to measure their consumptions and to get data for their emissions, which they need to for their reporting. We also have different kind of app solutions. For example, we have a machine sharing app called Rental Plus. And by the way, we have won the the European Rental Association Sustainability Award this year for our rental app. And we also have a platform called Rental Center where customers can keep an eye on all their machine data. So yeah, so these are I would say, the three main pillars of our strategy.
How do you work together with suppliers and partners to ensure these sustainable practices throughout the entire supply chain?
So actually, there's not much flexibility to make a different approach because we comply with all the requirements of the Supply Chain Due Diligence Act. So there's no room for making any to go your own way. So this means that we require our suppliers to comply with all the requirements of this law, and this also means that we only work with suppliers who meet these criteria. That's very simple then.
Yeah, right. Thank you. And what additional sustainability goals have you set, and how do you plan to achieve them?
Yeah, so let's say we are aware that regardless of the political changes that lie ahead of us, yeah, we will get new elections in Germany. We will have a different party and different government soon. Then now you have in the US big changes. But regardless of all these political things happening currently, climate change continues to threaten our society. So this will not disappear, and it cannot be stopped unless we actively do something about that. So this is why we will continue to try to provide really the best solutions for our customers and to support them reaching their own sustainability goals, so that they can rely on climate friendly or even completely climate neutral services. So that's quite important for construction projects. Therefore, we will expand our portfolio of the Eco Solution brand constantly. Yeah, we are screening the market for new climate friendly and climate neutral or resource saving solutions. We have also set ourselves quite ambitious goals to significantly reduce our own emissions by 2030. We want to achieve climate neutrality. And yeah, and we also get ourselves certified annually by EcoVadis, for example. And here we are particularly proud of because 4 years ago we started with EcoVadis and we had the bronze award. And last year we have been rewarded with platinum and belong to the top 1% of the most sustainable companies in our branch and our industry. So, and this development really shows that we are working intensively on the topic of climate protection. And currently we are on the recertification process on EcoVadis, and of course we hope to get a very good result again. So keep our fingers crossed for that.
Okay, thank you. Zeppelin Rental has been recognized a lot in the recent months, as you've also already mentioned, with the awards for its environmental and sustainability strategies. What factors contributed to being recognized as a top supplier for the Deutsche Bahn?
Good question. Of many points, of course. As the person speaking for and responsible for sustainability, I can only comment, of course, of this aspect. And regarding this, we were able to score highly because of our broad portfolio of sustainable services. But of course, we have not only been recognized as a top supplier for sustainability, but above all, because of we have been delivering very good results over the last years. And yeah, so the Deutsche Bahn was very satisfied with what we have provided. So it's not only because of the sustainability measures we are implementing.
How does Zeppelin Rental integrate innovations and sustainable practices into its business operations?
Yeah, so the answer is simple, I would say, because in our company, all the business units know that sustainability is not like a road block. It rather offers real opportunities and a lot of great possibilities. And that's why we are open-minded to incorporate new innovations and practices into our daily business operations. And yeah, so internally, we are quite proud about this mindset we have. And of course, we regularly educate and train our employees to try to strengthen their sustainable mindset. And yeah, we also screen the market for new and innovative products. And yeah, so to keep always, to always provide the most modern rental park and fleet and other most sustainable services for our clients. So that's what I would say.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. That will also conclude our interview today. Dr. Hajduk, thank you so much for your time and for your insights that you gave us. I'm sure our audiences will enjoy it as well.
Thank you.